behind the scenes at Bernina International, our exclusive factory visit. We've had the incredible privilege of going behind the scenes at Bernina International in Switzerland. As sewing machine engineers, we already knew Bernina's reputation for excellence, but seeing it firsthand was an unforgettable experience. Bernina's story begins in 1893 with Carl Friedrich Gegauf, a German-born inventor and entrepreneur who revolutionised the sewing industry by creating the world's first hem-stitch machine. Before his invention, hem-stitching was a time-consuming hand embroidery process, making it an expensive luxury. His machine changed that, allowing for 100 stitches per minute, revolutionising textile production. Carl Friedrich was a true pioneer in the sewing industry. He established a small factory in Steckborn, Switzerland, where he and his team produced hem-stitch and embroidery machines for textile manufacturers. By the 20th century, his invention had been sold across Europe and America, making Steckborn a key location for the development of industrial sewing technology. However, the global demand for hem-stitching began to decline, and after Carl Friedrich's death in 1926, his son Fritz Gegauf took over the business. Under his leadership, the company shifted its focus from industrial machines to household sewing machines, a move that would shape Bernina's future. In 1932, Fritz Gegauf introduced the first Bernina household sewing machine, marking the company's shift towards the domestic market. The machine was an instant success, known for its durability and precision. In 1945, the company officially adopted the name Bernina, inspired by Piz Bernina, a famous peak in the Swiss Alps. The name symbolises Swiss quality, strength and reliability, and could be said in any language. There were many more milestones for Bernina: the first free-arm zigzag machine, the first machine with a patented clutch system, the first electronic sewing machine in the world, and their introduction of memory and stitch programming. Bernina is renowned for its Swiss precision, engineering and quality, and after spending the day inside their factory, it's clear why they're considered the best sewing machine manufacturer in the world. Their entrance hall showcases every single sewing machine they've ever manufactured, and it was absolutely spectacular to see how their innovation and technology has advanced over the years. Every machine is carefully designed and assembled with meticulous attention to detail. We watch skilled technicians work with incredible accuracy, ensuring each machine meets Bernina's highest standards. Seeing the production process up close reinforced just how special these machines are. At the time of visiting, we were really lucky to see the new Bernina 990 in production. It shocked us to see that there were no large manufacturing processes to make these machines. Every single one is made by hand. One of the most fascinating things we learned during our visit was that Bernina's sewing machine feet have been made by the same small family-owned company since the very beginning. Located on a small holding in Switzerland, this business has been producing Bernina's precision-engineered feet for generations. Even today, Bernina continues to work with this family, maintaining the same high standards of craftsmanship and quality that have defined the brand for decades. After our factory tour, we visited the Bernina Creative Centre, a fantastic space where they run sewing, embroidery and quilting classes for enthusiasts of all skill levels. Bernina have used the same building since the very beginning, and you can see in these photos how much it has changed over time. What once was the factory is now Bernina's Creative Centre. It's a dream destination for any Bernina fan, offering hands-on learning with expert instructors and the latest Bernina machines. Walking through the centre and seeing all the creativity in action made me want to dive straight into making new projects. Our visit wouldn't have been complete without a meal at the Bernina Bistro, a charming spot where we enjoyed a delicious lunch. It was the perfect place to take in the atmosphere and reflect on everything we'd seen throughout the day. During our visit, we also learned about a heartbreaking event in Bernina's history. In the year 2000, freak weather caused severe flooding in Steckborn, and the entire Bernina archive, dating back to the company's beginnings, was destroyed in the basement flood. It's so devastating to think of all that history lost, but Bernina's commitment to innovation and quality has never wavered. Beyond the world of sewing machines, we had the chance to explore more of Switzerland's breathtaking landscape. We took a cable car up Mount Santis, which stands at 3,500 feet, and were rewarded with stunning panoramic views of the Swiss Alps. It was an incredible way to end our journey. Visiting Bernina International was an experience we'll never forget. Seeing the craftsmanship, history and innovation behind these incredible machines has left us feeling so inspired. I can't wait to get back to my sewing room and start getting creative with my Bernina.